The Jacaranda tree, a guide to care and growth. The jacaranda tree is one of the most stunning flowering trees in the world, known for its captivating purple blossoms. In this video, we'll introduce you to this incredible tree and share practical tips for its care and cultivation. Introduction to the jacaranda. The jacaranda tree, scientifically known as jacaranda, belongs to the Fabaceae family and is native to regions of South America, particularly Brazil. Commonly referred to as Nora or mimosifolia, this evergreen tree retains its lush green foliage throughout the year. The jacaranda tree is also suitable for bonsai cultivation, allowing it to grow as small as 50 cms. However, when grown individually, it can reach heights of 20 to 30 meters. This tree can be propagated through seeds, grafting, or cuttings. Additional information about jacaranda. The jacaranda tree blooms in spring and summer, producing clusters of vibrant purple blossoms that cover its branches, creating a spectacular and mesmerizing view. These flowers are highly fragrant, with a unique scent, and appear as five-lobed violet-hued crowns. The tree's branches are slender and zigzag-shaped, with a reddish-brown hue, while its leaves grow in a compound and opposite pattern. The jacaranda tree is ideal for planting in gardens, yards, villas, forests, urban green spaces, and parks. Additionally, it is widely used in the dyeing and woodworking industries due to its functional and aesthetic qualities. Key features. Flowers. Jacaranda flowers are tubular and bloom in large clusters, usually in spring and early summer. Leaves. The leaves resemble ferns, giving the tree a delicate and elegant appearance. Size. The tree can grow up to 10 to 20 meters tall, but it remains smaller when grown in pots. Care requirements. Light. Jacaranda thrives in full sunlight. It should be placed where it can receive direct sunlight for most of the day. Soil. Well-draining, nutrient-rich soil is ideal for optimal growth. Watering. Regular watering is essential, but the soil should not remain waterlogged. Temperature. This tree prefers warm and mild climates and should be protected from harsh frost. Growing tips. Planting seeds. Jacaranda seeds should be planted in light, moist soil. Using a greenhouse or a warm environment aids germination. Pruning. Regularly prune dry or damaged branches to maintain the tree's shape and health. Fertilizing. Use phosphorus-rich fertilizers during the growing season to promote flowering. How to plant rare jacaranda seeds. Learn how to find jacaranda seeds even in the bush without breaking them. The best time to plant rare jacaranda seeds is in spring. Follow these steps for successful germination. Prepare the pot. Select a pot with proper drainage and fill it with suitable soil. Plant the seeds. Sow the seeds at a depth of 2 to 3 cm in the soil and cover them lightly. Water the soil gently using a spray bottle. Die Passel das Tauvikta. Translation. Cover the top of the pot with clear plastic wrap, creating small holes for ventilation to prevent excessive humidity. Use a twig. Provide warmth. Place the pot near a window with a temperature of 20 to 24 DHC, 68 to 75 DFF. Ensure the soil remains moist but not soggy during germination. The seeds will germinate within 14 to 28 days. Once germination occurs, remove the plastic wrap. When the seedlings grow to a sufficient size, transplant them to the ground, maintaining a spacing of 7 to 8 meters for optimal growth. Benefits of the jacaranda. Aesthetic appeal. Thanks to its striking flowers and delicate foliage, jacaranda is a favorite choice for gardens and parks. Air purification. Its leaves help purify the air and reduce pollution. Pests of the jacaranda tree and methods of control. Like many plants and trees, the jacaranda tree can be attacked by pests. Identifying these pests and applying effective control methods helps maintain the tree's health and beauty. Aphids, small green insects often found on leaves and stems that suck the sap from the plant. Symptoms: yellowing of leaves, leaf curling, and secretion of sticky honeydew, which can lead to the growth of black sooty mold. Spider mites, tiny mites that live underneath leaves and produce fine webs. Symptoms: yellowing and speckling of leaves, followed by leaf drop. Whiteflies, small flying insects that lay eggs on leaves and feed on the plant's sap. Symptoms: weakening of the plant, yellowing of leaves, and stunted growth. Borers, pests that burrow into the trunk and branches, feeding on the tree's tissues and weakening its structure. Symptoms: small holes in the trunk and branches, with sap or resin exuding from these areas, and minute blood splatters that fall at the touch of the wetness to transfer sediments away. Scale insects, small, rounded insects that attach to leaves and stems, sucking the sap from the tree. Symptoms: brown or white spots on leaves and reduced tree growth. Methods of pest control. One, natural and non-chemical methods. Washing the leaves. Spray the leaves with lukewarm water or a mild soap solution to remove pests. Using beneficial insects. Release beneficial insects like ladybugs and parasitic wasps that feed on pests. Plant oils. Apply neem oil or horticultural oil to control aphids and spider mites. Two, chemical control organic insecticides. Use insecticides containing pyrethrin to eliminate pests like aphids and whiteflies. Systemic pesticides. Use systemic pesticides that are absorbed through the roots and target pests effectively. Three, prevention. Proper fertilization. Use appropriate fertilizers to strengthen the tree and prevent weakness. Correct watering. Avoid overwatering or underwatering, which can make the tree more vulnerable to pests. Regular inspection. Inspect leaves and stems regularly to detect early signs of infestation and take quick action. If you're looking to enhance your home or garden with a breathtaking tree, the Jacaranda is an excellent choice. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. And if you have any questions about caring for this tree, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.